Why do I want to say mango butter? This is crazy. So before I get into the whole rejuvenation process, I'm going to share with you guys what I'm going to be using on my hair. So here's what I'll be using. Okay, I'll leave it simple. It's a lot of stuff, but it's okay because my hair needs a lot of stuff. I'm going to first use some rose water to hydrate my hair, leave-in conditioning mist, a DIY hair oil concoction that I made, moisturizing curl activated cream as my moisturizer. Why do I want to say mango butter? And last but not least, I'm going to be using my shea butter. Shea butter. Ever since I've used my shea butter whip and rose water, I have seen a huge difference on my hair, and I mean like as far as moisture, like moisture. All right, now we can start this process. So once I take off these duck bill clips, I will look like crazy eyes, but that is okay. Just a heads up. So the first thing I'm going to do is moisturize or hydrate my hair with my rose water mist. You're just gonna mist the hair. I'm not gonna like saturate it or anything, just mist it. I'm going to use the DIY oil concoction. So in this hair combination, I have olive oil, avocado oil, tea tree oil, and castor oil. Okay, so once I have the oil massaged in, I'm going to go in with the hydrating leave-in conditioning mist and do the same thing that I did with the rose water, just mist the hair. So I'm going to use a dime size amount of moisturizer, and I'm just going to go through and rub that in, massage it in to the twist. Now I'm going to go in with the shea butter or whipped shea butter and apply it to all of my hair, but I'm going to start off with the twist that actually untwisted first. And all I'm going to do is apply a tad bit to the ends of my hair, so about that much. And once again, it doesn't have to be perfect because I'm not wearing my hair out. So I actually have been wearing a scarf on my hair this whole season, basically since the middle of fall and beginning of winter. So about a month and a half I've been wearing a scarf just to protect my hair from the cold weather, because I've noticed that my hair will dry out faster and it breaks really bad when it's exposed to cold weather. Okay, so this concludes today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as I said in the beginning of the video. And yeah, until next time, peace, love, and happiness.